Today, the city government of Manila will be filing criminal charges against contractor GLC Construction and Supply, represented by its general manager, Jess R. Mahusay, for illegal construction of the Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz project within the Rizal Avenue Sports Athletic Complex, or commonly known as RASAC. The following criminal charges will be filed against the contractor. First case to be filed: special cases of malicious mischief under Article 328 of the Revised Penal Code, as amended, for causing damage for RASAC facilities, including the satellite office of the city government, police outpost, daycare center, performance stage, among others. Complaint to be filed before the city prosecutor's office by the City General Services Office. Second case: unlawful demolition and construction without necessary permit in violation of the National Building Code of the Philippines. On what ground? Demolishing the RASAC covered courts and other government structures therein without securing necessary demolition permit from the city building official, which is a clear violation of the National Building Code. Started constructing the multipurpose project without coordinating with the local government of Manila as instructed by the local government code. And if I may share some particular section of the local government code violated, Section 26 and Section 27 of the local government code, RA 7160.